What's going on today?
Nothing.
Nothing? You have 1 day left for school until winter break. Can you believe it? I can't believe that we're in single digits. Christmas is next week.
Yep.
Right? And in exactly 1 week and 1 day, right? 8 days?
6.
6 days. Not 6 days.
7.
Okay, it's 8 days.
No, 7.
7. Okay, tomorrow is 7. So,
today.
we got a ton of new shipments this week. I think we opened 10 plus boxes. Our UPS guy officially hates us. But we unpacked a ton of boxes, a ton of new arrivals, just in time for the week of Christmas. So we are constantly still getting new stuff. So if you still need gifts, if you still want something to treat yourself, because I totally think that everyone deserves to treat themselves this year, especially this year, right? What do you think? Yep.
And I actually have a wiggly tooth.
Yeah, he does. The front, right?
Yep, right here.
So the Tooth Fairy might be coming to our house. We'll see. So Santa, Tooth Fairy, we got all these people coming over. Hopefully they don't have COVID. So lots of new arrivals. Are you gonna help me with all the stuff? Okay, because I'm gonna try a bunch of stuff on for you guys. So I am wearing the Paris bodysuit. Has these awesome snaps on it. And it's a Henley style, which is super cute, really perfectly fitted, and it's a ribbed material, so cute. And this is the rain jean. It's definitely become one of my new favorites. It is by Joe's. It has a great straight leg, so not super skinny, not super wide, just perfectly straight. Okay. Oh, thank you. So these we just unpacked today. I haven't even had a chance to try them on. This is the linen jean by Pistola. That's another one of our favorite jean lines. So right now we really have like 4 main jean lines. So we have Joe's, we have Hidden, we have Flying Monkey still, and we have Pistola. We have come to love Pistola jeans. They are very comfortable, they're very stretchy, and the fits are just perfect. And the price point is great too, and they're super stretchy. So that is from Pistola. So we have workout clothes for you. We have loungewear for you. We have some sweaters, some cute tops that you can either hang out with a friend or two, or wear out later once we're all back into the norm of things. And then we also have jackets. We got a couple really cool coats. So what I'm gonna show you right now, I'm just gonna start with the workout gear. So this is the Brooke metallic crop bra, and then also the matching leggings. So if you guys love Spanx leggings, like those awesome leather leggings, you're gonna love these. The fit is awesome. A little tummy tucking, which is really nice. They are high rise. Love, love, love. Here, I'm gonna hand you this.
Hold on.
Do you just want a pile over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you order anything, I'm still doing deliveries.
He is. He's actually our best delivery boy. He's not the driver. He's just the delivery boy. How old do you have to be to drive?
At least 16.
At least 16. So his dad is the driver, but he will deliver your packages.
Yeah, I always just like run up to your guys' houses and deliver them.
You're awesome. So just to talk about what Peyton was talking about, we are offering local delivery within 5 miles, in-store pickup. We have some extended hours, private shopping. If you need to get in for some private shopping and don't want to come in, you know, while other people are in, we are more than happy to make arrangements for you guys. Oh, I can't forget to show you these. Oh my God, we have been waiting for these. Okay, so this is the Leah Star Foil legging. Look how cute those are. So it's black on black. And then we also have the matching bra. So if you guys were waiting for these, if you had them on pre-order, we are so sorry it took so long. I wish there was something we could do. A couple of the factories have been a little backed up because of COVID. And then we have the Melody bra. So this is a really fun gray camo bra. Has some taupe and browns in there and a really cute cutout in the back. So we have a brand new collection at the store. It is called the Fuzzy Collection. At least that's what we're calling it. So we have the hoodie in 3 different colors. We have it in the off-white, we have it in pink, and we have it in black also. So this is the Marina Fuzzy Hoodie. I'll show you that in the other colors too. We have the Marina Jogger, which is so insanely cute and comfy. I actually did a video today that I'll be posting tomorrow of how I styled it in the different ways. And then the white, we also have the Fuzzy Julie shorts. So these are super cute too. Throw it on with the hoodie, throw it on with a cute top. They're adorable. We also have it in black. So we have this really cute sweater in black. This is the Danny Fuzzy sweater. It's a V-neck sweater, slightly cropped, a little bit of a cute bubble sleeve. We have the Marina sweater also in black. There's a lot of stuff. I was gonna try stuff on for you guys, but I just realized how much I have behind me. This is also the Marina Fuzzy Jogger. And anything you wanna see on too, it's all on the website. You can see what it looks like on. This is the Luca skirt. The Luca skirt also comes in pink. Just wait until you see it, it's so cute. And then again, the Julie short, so fun. And then here's the pink set. So the pink, we have 3 different styles. We have the jogger, we have the skirt, and also the hoodie. So the fun part is the hoodie looks awesome with the joggers, it looks good with the skirt, and then you can mix and match it in so many different ways. We have a few great sweaters. This is by Pistola too. This one is the Francis distressed sweater. We had this before in a different colorway and everybody loved it, including myself. It's kind of like a little bit of a distressed, a little bit of a thicker knit sweater, but it is cottony, so you're not gonna be really hot in it. The next one I have is a cute cropped sweater. This is the Mandy with a great V-neck. And then this is truly just a classic sweater from Olivacious that we get a similar version almost every year because everybody loves the fit, everyone loves the style, and so versatile. So that's the Mandy. This one I am just dying over because of the color and the style. This is the Lexi bubble sleeve. Look at that awesome puff sleeve on there, and it has the bubble sleeve at the bottom. Gets a little tighter on the wrist, and then it just has a really, really beautiful shape. So throw this on with a pair of jeans or a black pant or a skirt, and it's just to die for. And then we have the Brittany that is an oversized, little bit longer fit, great with a legging or a skinny jean, just a classic, awesome gray sweater that you just really can't have enough of in your closet. This is the Rosie crossover sweater. This one's really pretty. You can kind of dress it up a little more. Throw it on with a black skirt or a jean skirt. So cute. Or a wax jean would look awesome too. And then we have the bodysuit that I'm wearing also in white. So this is the Paris. It has those great buttons down the front. And then we have another Henley. This is the Alyssa button-up Henley. And kind of very similar to the Paris, but if you don't want that bodysuit fit, then you go for the Alyssa. It's really, really soft. It's a little bit thinner. Really great top that you can wear all year long. So that is the Alyssa. And then, let's see. Those are all the coats, and they're gonna make the whole thing collapse if I don't move them. Moving on to 650. We just got a 650 shipment, and those hand-painted sets that we're waiting on are gonna be here early next week. So if you pre-ordered one, you will get it. We will let you know as soon as it's in. And I cannot wait to see them in person. If you haven't checked them out, go on the website, go under 650. They are hand-painted sets with like a peace sign and a star. Oh my God, they're so cute. So we have the Marco set. This does absolutely nothing on the hanger. what I did was I just posted a video on our Reels and on Facebook, so you can see what it looks like on. It's off the shoulder and it has a split sleeve. Really, really soft too. It's a lightweight terry. The Marco jogger has a great pocket. And the best part about the Marco jogger is it actually goes with the Jess puff sleeve. It's the same material. So the Jess puff sleeve has this super cute, it's kind of like a slouchy puff sleeve. It's a hoodie, so fun, and it goes perfectly with the Marco jogger. So if you didn't feel like wearing the split sleeve, you can always throw on one of these hoodies. And it also comes in the tan, which the tan is awesome on. It is such a great neutral color. So check out those sleeves. I love them. They're so fun. Puff sleeve is definitely in like all shapes, sizes, and colors. So we have a couple dressier pieces that can be dressed up or down. So we have the Denver snake print jogger. Look at that awesome pattern and that color. It's like a foresty green, olivey green snake print, and then it has a matching cami with a cowl neck. How pretty of an outfit is that with just the leather jacket? I think it looks awesome. The next one I have for you, it's really, really silky and pretty. This is the Shelby. And the Shelby is actually a very subtle, very muted tie-dye shirt dress. So it's a button up and it ties around the waist, throw it on with a legging, with a tight and a boot, and it is so beautiful. This one too is kind of seasonless. Like you can wear it any time of year. Let's see. One more before I get to the coats. So we have a really fun set. So this is the Dana floral top. Yeah.
Do you have like a snowflake stamp?
I don't have a snowflake stamp, I'm sorry. Maybe you might though. And then this is the Emily floral skirt. So both of these have the smocking on the front or for the top and the bottom. And then the bottoms have not just the smocking, but this really fun, flirty ruffle. Love that. So we just got some awesome coats that I want to show you guys. I mean, this is the grand finale. These are so awesome. This one is like a faux leather. It's like a waxy faux leather. This is the Danny. And it might look a little ridiculous on me. It's like definitely oversized, but if you're taller than 5 feet, like me, it's gonna look awesome. But even like kind of worn off the shoulder, just as like a style staple. I mean, this is so cute. So this is the Danny. The next one I'm gonna show you is so pretty. It's a pink velvet. And the fit of it is so perfect. Let's see, this is the Kayla. So the Kayla is this gorgeous pink velvet coat. And I love the length too. It's not too long, not too short, has a great collar. So this is the Kayla. These both just arrived today. So you guys are probably the first to see it except for us and anyone that came in the store today. So this is the Kayla. Let's see. And then I have one more for you guys. Okay, grand finale, for real now. This is the Cassandra. And if you love fringe and you love a leather jacket, this one is gonna be for you. Check out all these awesome details, and the fit of it is unbelievable. Okay, like this is a leather jacket elevated with that awesome fringe detail. Pate, look how fun this is. Yeah.
Here.
Thank you. Isn't that fun?
Kind of silly.
It's kind of silly. Pate thinks it's kind of silly. Luckily, I don't get fashion advice from my 7-year-old. Okay, so that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are open tomorrow and Saturday 10 to 6, Sunday 11 to 4. We're open an extra hour on Sunday. And then next week we're open 10 to 6 except for Christmas Eve, which is 10 to 4. But if you guys have any questions, please let us know. We are online, we are in the store. However you want to get a hold of us, we are here for you. We're your little elves. So we're more than happy to box and bow and do whatever you guys need. So have a wonderful night.
And one thing, comment on your favorite, like anything.
Item. Yeah. Oh, comment on your favorite piece of clothes that I showed you guys. That's for Peyton.
Or
so
ours.
What?
Or our clothes.
Yeah. So make sure you comment. This is for Peyton, you guys, so you gotta do it. Make sure you comment on your favorite items, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.